Remove blemishes and smooth skin for beauty photo. Select Acne Removal AI tool. This tool will automatically analyze and remove any defects on the skin. As you can see, the result is very good compared to the serious blemishes of this woman. Next step, select D&B AI tool. To make the photo more depth by dot and burn feature. Last one, choose Smooth Skin tool and see the result. For these 3 steps, you just only use one click for each, and SADESIGN panel will do the rest for you. No further actions are needed. If you see the skin is too smooth, you can adjust the opacity to the amount that you see suitable. Now, this is the before and this is the after. Wonderful! You don't have to use Healing Brush tool to remove blemishes anymore. It saves you time and super convenient. SADESIGN, your editing photo solution.